Dear students, this is chapter 3 Hill Station of India of your GK book. What is the name of the chapter? Hill Station of India. So, what is hill station? By this scene, you can see that hills are there, mountains are there. So, we are going to study about the hill stations which are located in India, which are situated in India, which are in India. So let's start. Goom Monastery. Goom Monastery. This is the monastery that is in Darjeeling. Where it is? Darjeeling. In your book, it is written like that. It is located in West Bengal. Darjeeling is where? West Bengal. You have studied about states and capitals, children, no? In that states, if you have learned, you have studied about one state, that is the West Bengal. So, this Goom Monastery is in West Bengal in the place Darjeeling. Like your place is there, similarly in West Bengal, one place name is Darjeeling, that is the station. It is famous for its tea garden. This place is famous for its tea garden. Means there tea gardens are there, tea cultivation are there. Okay. Goom Monastery is the famous landmark of this place. So this place, Darjeeling, is famous because of this Goom Monastery. Okay. For this landmark it is famous. That is the Goom Monastery. So remember that Goom Monastery is in West Bengal and it is famous for tea gardens. Like your flower garden, no? Same way tea gardens are also there. So tea gardens and Goom Monastery is famous landmark for the place. Which place? There one blank is given in the book. Goom Monastery is famous for the place Darjeeling. Monastery is famous landmark of this place Darjeeling. Which place, children? Darjeeling. So you have to fill in the blank Darjeeling. This is Tuang Monastery. Tuang Monastery. It is located in Arunachal Pradesh, one of the state of India. It is famous for its natural beauty. It is very beautiful place and it has natural beauty. Natural beauty means beauty made by God. That is the natural beauty. Tuang Monastery is famous landmark of this place. Which place? Tuang. So you have to fill in the blank Tuang. Where it is located? It is located in Arunachal Pradesh. What is located? Tuang Monastery. Tuang Monastery is located. Located means situated. It is there. Where? In the Arunachal Pradesh. That is the state of India. And it is naturally beautiful and it's the famous landmark of the place. And which place? The famous landmark of the place Tuang. Tuang is the name of the place. Raja Seat. Raja Seat. That is the famous landmark of this place. This know what scene you are looking here. What scenery you are getting here. This scenery name is Raja Seats. This place name is Raja Seats. And where it is? It is located in Karnataka. Karnataka is the state in India. It is famous for its coffee plantation. In Karnataka, coffee is grown. What is grown? Coffee. Coffee you drink, no? That coffee we get from the place such as Karnataka. Evergreen rainforest and spices. And there evergreen rainforests are there and spices. Spices means that what you eating, no, cardamom and all that are the spices we get from the place Karnataka. And this is Raja Seat. This place name is Raja Seat. Is the famous landmark of the place Korg. Korg is the name of the place that you have to fill in the blank. Now what is here? Ooty. Very popular place. It is located in Tamil Nadu. Where is Tamil Nadu? It is in the south of India. And In the south of India, Tamil Nadu is the state. It is famous for waterfalls. Waterfalls, from mountains, water flows. Okay, that is waterfalls. Lakes, there are different lakes. Tea plantation, there are tea gardens also. And terraced farm. Terraced farm means that farming which is done on the hills. That is the terraced farm. Botanical garden. The name of the garden is Botanical Garden and is the famous landmark of the place. Which place? Ooty. Ooty is popular for the botanical garden. Okay. And what more things are there in Ooty? Waterfalls are there, lakes are there, tea plantation and terraced farms are there. And this Ooty is located in the state Tamil Nadu. Hindima Devi Temple. Hindima Devi Temple. Hindima Devi Temple is located in Himachal Pradesh. It is in Himachal Pradesh. It is famous for its pine forest. This you can see here trees, that are the pine trees. So this place is famous for the pine forest. There is the jungle of pine and monasteries, temples, valleys, majestic hills. So many things you can see in this place. What more? Monasteries, as I have showed monasteries where Buddhist worship. Monastery is the place where Buddhist worship. In the beginning I have showed in this lesson only. So that is the monastery. Temples. Temples, Hindu worship in temple. Valleys. Valleys what? That valley is the place, like you will study in your SST, like these two hills are there, children. So between these two hills, that place, that is called as valley. And majestic hills, and there are many hills are also there. So Hindima Devi Temple is famous landmark of the place Manali. It is the famous landmark. This Manali, in Manali, this Hindima Devi Temple is located. Clear? This is Munnar. Where Munnar is? It is in Kerala. Kerala is the state in our country, India. It is famous for its tea plantation. Why it is famous? For the tea plantation. Erviculam National Park. What is that? Erviculam National Park is the famous landmark of the place Munnar. In Munnar, what is there? There is the national park. Which national park? Erviculam National Park, which is located in Munnar, and Munnar is in the state of Kerala, and it is famous for tea plantation also. Dal Lake. Have you heard about Dal Lake, children? Yes, Dal Lake is very beautiful lake. Like river, sea, water bodies are there, no? Similarly, lake is also one water body. So Dal Lake, it is located in Srinagar. And where is Srinagar? Srinagar is near Jammu and Kashmir. It is famous for its beautiful lakes. There are many beautiful lakes are there. Kashmiri, Cushines, Beauty and houseboats. So here you can find that houseboats also in the Dal Lake. What is houseboat? Houseboat means boat in which that house is made and where people can stay. That is the houseboat, and it has all the facilities like the house. Dal Lake is famous landmark of the place Srinagar. So this Dal Lake is popular place in the Srinagar, in the place Srinagar, that is the tourist place Dal Lake. Okay, now come to the next. This is Ampty Falls. Ampty Falls, that is in Mussoorie. Where is Ampty Fall? It is Mussoorie. And where is Mussoorie? It is located in Uttarakhand. Mussoorie is located in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is the state. That's why I told you to learn states and capital. It is famous for its waterfalls. Ampty Falls is famous for its, this is waterfalls. Here you can see, no, that is said to be waterfalls. That water comes from the hills. So that is famous for waterfalls, misty mountains and picturesque scenery. So there some old sceneries are also there, attractive sceneries. Picturesque sceneries means that attractive sceneries are there. Empty Fall is famous landmark of the place Mussoorie. So you have to write in the blank Mussoorie. This is Dilwara temples. Look at the temple. Is it beautiful, no children? Where it is? It is in Mount Abu. Where is Mount Abu? Mount Abu is in Rajasthan. Rajasthan is what? Rajasthan is the state in India. Understood? It is famous for its green hills. Here, green hills are there. Hills are what? Small mountains. Serene lakes. Lakes also you can find. Beautiful temples are there and several religious sites and different religious sites are also there. Sites means that places are also there. Its name is Dilwara Temple. Is the famous landmark of the place Mount Abu. So you have to write in the blank Mount Abu. Mount Abu, in Mount Abu Dilwara Temple is famous. Okay. So this all is there in the lesson 3 hill stations of India. What exercise given in the book that you have to fill the blank. What here I have written below Mount Abu like that. So that you have to write in the blank and read the lesson, understand with the help of video. Thank you children.